Multiplying a number by a percent greater than 100 can sometimes result in a multiple of the original number. However, knowing the difference between percent growth and multiple growth is important. In this video, we look at examples of percent growth leading to multiple growth. Let's start with an example. The height of a plant doubled. How would you describe the percent increase in height? Is 2 times the height of the plant the same as a 200% increase in height? Let's first look at the percent increase for the height doubling. Here is the formula for percent change. Notice that we're not given a specific value for the height. So let's assign x to the original height. That means the new height is 2x. Let's plug these values into the formula. In the numerator, we get 2x minus x, and in the denominator, we have x. Simplified, the x terms divide out, and we are left with 100%. So when a quantity is doubled in value, or multiplied by 2, the percent increase is 100%, not 200%. It's important to remember this distinction. Let's look at another example. The stock price for a tech company increased 350% over the period of a year. What multiple value of the original stock price does this represent? What percent change? To find the new price, multiply the original price, which we'll call x, by 350%, which results in 3.5x. So the new price is 3.5 times the original price. But what is the percent increase? This is the formula for percent change. Plug in the expressions that represent the prices of the stock. The numerator has 3.5x minus x, and the denominator has x. The fraction simplifies to 2.5x over x times 100%. The x terms divide out, and we are left with 250%. Once again, there is a difference between how a price multiplies and a corresponding percent increase. The original price increases by 350%, but the percent increase is 250%. Let's look at a final example. In one period of time, the price of oil increased by 100%, then in a later period, the price decreased by 50%. What is the net change in the price of oil during these periods? The new price is the product of two percents, one greater than 100% and another less than 100%. The original price, x, is multiplied by a percent greater than 100%, this term, and then is multiplied by a percent less than 100%, this term. Simplify the terms in parentheses to get 2 and 0.5. These two terms, when multiplied, become 1, and we're left with the original price of x. This means that there was no price change after the two percentages are applied.